to another video. In today's video, I will be going over how to create a logo animation using panziod and capcut. Let's get started. So first of all, we're here in panziod right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this apps button, scroll down to clip maker. Um, yeah. Then you're going to click on this button right here. Click on add object, text, and then we're going to type out ATV. ATV. So that's the first part. Now I'm going to pause this very quickly so I can go find the font I need because I got to search a lot. So I'll meet you guys back in a second once I find the font. Okay, so I have officially found my font. Obviously, if anyone's wondering how I found it, you scroll down here, select this custom button, press the select button, and then you scroll down really, really far, and this is the name of the font I chose. So now that we have our font, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the thickness. It's going to be that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. The color is going to be blue. Boom, blue. Also, if you want it to look less jagged, this is the way you do it. You do that. Boom. It's now less jagged. Okay, so let's actually start on the animation itself. I'm going to pause again so I can download my video, my audio to use for the video. But we'll get to that in a second. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is obviously add our audio. I've already added it in, but I am going to show you how to do it. So we're going to go to this right here. We're going to press the select button. Obviously, this right here is our audio, so we're going to click on that. Boom. Now we have our audio. Now, without further ado, let's get started on the animation. So first of all, one of the things we have to do is we have to make sure the images line up with the audio. So I think it was about right here. I think it was about, so we're going to say right there. So I'm going to press this button and this button. Then we're going to go back to the beginning. Okay, so then we're going to go right here. We're going to press that and that. Then what I'm going to do, and this is the fun part, we're first going to rotate the image slightly. Push it forward like that, push it down like that, push it a little more forward, little more down, and boom. Okay, so now we have our official animation right here. Oh, that's right, yeah. So if you're ever wondering why it does that, because the thing starts right here, what we're going to have to do is we are going to have to copy, just press the copy button. Oop, not what I meant. Command C, Command C. Okay, so what that should do is that should, oh, hold on a second. Yeah, I have to copy that and then paste. Okay, so then I gotta copy that, which is this, and then boom. Now we got that right there, and let me show you a little sneak peek of the animation. But whatever, I might do some extra editing, and then I'm going to download it, which I'm not going to show you because I don't need to show you that. Then we'll move on to CapCut. Obviously, there will be a little bit more steps. I'll explain those in a minute, but yeah, so see you guys in a minute. Okay, obviously, I'm going to name this ATV. Easy, because obviously it's called ATV. Okay, so let's start by importing our stuff. Once this loads, I will show you what you need to import. Need to go to the So first, we're going to import untitled design. One, that's our main part. There we go. It's loaded in. Then I'm going to press import. Okay, now we have our image imported. So now we're going to place it right on top, and then I'm going to extend this to the end, and then we're going to take the scale and make it larger. Hopefully it fits. If we have to, might do a little bit of editing to make it look a little more cooler. There we go. Okay, so now we have our imagery, right? And then let me check something. So it should stop right there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go to this rotate section, and I'm going to pop that right there, right? Then I'm going to go to this first half, press the rotate button, press 360. There we go. Okay, now if you're wondering, where is the background? Well, here's how to remove your background. So go to your chroma key, right? Go to remove background right here. Click the chroma key button. Click the color picker. Okay, now as you can tell, because we're trying to make the background spin, the background is too small to actually spin. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it larger. There it is. Now, here's the most important part. This is supposed to be a 1980s logo. So obviously we are going to need, and there's our texture for the animation. Obviously that looks a little terrible, right? Because like it's too blurry. Well, the obvious thing to do is to decrease the blur, decrease the filters, make it look good, increase the strength, maybe decrease the speed a little bit, and then we got our animation. Now, to make it complete, I like to add a fade in and a fade out. So obviously we are going to we're going to right click and press create compound clip. Then we're going to go to animation. We are going to wait for it to load, obviously, because it takes a couple minutes. And then I'm going to click fade in and fade out. I'm going to export this, and then the next portion of the video will be the completed animation. But thank you guys for watching. Obviously, after I play the animation, I will show my face because that's a requirement. But see you guys in a minute after I finish this animation. Hey guys, due to the fact that this assignment requires me to show my face at some point in the video, this is what you're gonna get. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and if you're wondering what the intro was for, that is my YouTube channel intro. Go check out my YouTube channel. All the people in my class in 7th Hour Communication, Coast Heidenreichs. Go watch my channel. It's really good. Please. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna do my outro now. This is Nate York signing off. See y'all in the next one.